So you guys want to crush it as a millionaire in your 20s? Let's dive into these 8 lessons, 4 of which is explained in this video and the rest is in another. These lessons can turbocharge your wealth and level up your life big time. Let's take it from Iman Godzi. What does he say?
I mean, take it from me. I made my first $1 million in profit at the age of 18. And honestly, the biggest lesson I've learned in the last few years is that there are truly a million ways to make $1 million.
And that is why our first lesson is entrepreneurial spirit. Don't be afraid of making money in different ways. This point can be true but not whole. There are a lot of chances that 99.9% of you are trying working unnecessary ways, yet there is a big scale. May not be easy but simple. Instead of hitting your head on a wall, search for what is best for you. Try different things, acquire different skills, and eventually put all these together. At your age, there is always be learning and doing. While doing all the stuff, you will come across a lot of problems which can be solved in lesson 2. Internal conflict. You have a personal problem manifesting in your business. Don't judge yourself on your downfall. Remove all unwanted things around you that can be your excuse, toxicity, or junkie related to work, behavior, and habit respectively. Identify your weakness and remove it at the earlier stage of a progressive money-making strategy. Making money at the beginning can also bring you to your downfall, by which we should dive into the next lesson. Wisdom. Don't invest your way to rich. Now you will be surrounded by all financial gurus as they see your lump sum amount. Now let's just break down mathematics into it. Even if you invest $3,000 into the market, you might make dollars up to 200 or 300 back, but it's all risk. Analyze your potential upside from making money to the actual money that costs you to lose. Now what is the alternative to it? Come with me to lesson 4. Development. Invest your money in things that improve your ability in business. The alternative to investing your money in the market is to invest that $3,000 into upskilling, which can help you to make more money. Now it can be anything: learning coding, design, or business ideas such as courses like digital marketing, data entry, video editing, and many more, or can be assets like buying a camera, PC, mic, or phone for self-improvement in your skill. The rest 4 lessons will carry more informational topics. To get updated, subscribe to our channel and put the notification on to get the video. See you in that video. Till then, have a thinking business mindset.